say like there is also one app like Clapingo. It is
Cricket is given too much importance as compared to other sports in India.
yeah like football. Football is a very it's a energetic game that we give lots of stamina when we play football. And 11 and when IPL start after as IPL came, so after that people also play lots of like people started playing gambling, and there are few apps like
Hmm.
Dream 11 and lots of.
Hello, good
Can you
morning.
hear? Good morning. How
Yes,
are you?
hi, how are you doing?
I am doing great. Thank you for asking.
Yes, that's great, that's
What
great.
about you? How are you?
So, yes, I'm doing good as well. Thank you for asking. So, I guess we are meeting for the first time.
I think we have met second time because in first time you switched off your camera.
I switched off my camera. Okay. Okay,
Hmm.
fine. Okay, in case we have missed, I mean, in case we have met, so that's great. So yes, we meet again. And how have you been since the last time
Yeah,
we
no
met?
problem. Yeah, yeah. I have been doing great. Festival with
Okay.
all celebrated festivals like Diwali. So all things
Mm-hmm.
went well. Mm.
Okay. Right. All things went well. That's great. That's great. Hmm. Right. Now, do you have any idea
So
about today's topic? Sorry.
because you can't remember, so can I introduce myself
Yeah, sure,
in
sure.
brief?
Of course. Go
Mm.
ahead, please.
Yeah. So my name is Rakesh, as you know, and
Mm-hmm.
I am from Ahmedabad. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I work
That's great.
professionally.
You work for?
Work in chemical company. So
Okay, that's great. And how long have you been working?
it has been more than 6 years.
Okay. That's great. That's great. Wow.
Mm.
Okay. Yes.
What
So,
do
do you
you do
have?
apart from teaching?
Yes,
Apart
I
from
am a teacher.
teaching,
Yes, I'm a teacher. So I teach in schools as a commerce and
oh,
English teacher, right? Yes.
okay, understand.
Hmm.
Understand. Yeah, please
Yes.
go on.
Yeah. So, what was I asking? I just forgot.
I think you were
I was
asking
about.
me about session document. I don't know actually what is session document. We can start talking
Yes.
randomly. Yes.
Oh, can we go with some general questions?
Yeah, yeah, no problem. Anything,
Okay.
whatever you want.
Okay. That's great. That's great. Yes, fine. So let me go with some general questions with you.
Hmm.
Yes. Hmm. Right. Hmm. Just a second. Hmm. Globalization has affected the Indian youth and overall population in many ways. I will repeat.
Hmm.
Globalization has affected the Indian youth and overall population in many ways. What are your thoughts about it?
Globalization means means business all around the world. Yes, we can share our business to the world.
We
So
can
that's
share our
it.
thoughts, ideas, business, and everything around the
Mm-hmm.
world. We get to know
Yeah.
about what the world is doing. The world gets to know about what we are doing. Yes, that is called
Mhm.
globalization.
Okay, okay. That has
Hmm.
affected youth mind.
Yeah, youth
Yeah,
and
I can
overall
say
population. Yes. Hmm.
overall population. Yeah, it has affected, and we need to, as people come to know about different things, and they get idea of starting their business. So overall, I can say that has been affected. Really, that has affected people's life. Yeah. Hmm.
And
Like
how come? How has it?
according to business, we have lots of opportunities. Like on the internet, so many things like ideas are available, and according to you, they also get so many information. Once they had to do Google, but as YouTube came, so on YouTube they can watch video like the youth and few students like so many students they get help from YouTube and all those things. So globalization, I can say uh, through globalization we have different things and ideas which we can share, and because of that it has been helpful as through internet we are connected with each other, and through that we can share. So yeah, we can share our idea, our business with the people, and that is why it has been helpful.
Hmm. Correct. Of course, it has been affecting us and it has helped us also in many ways. Like
Mm-hmm.
you have already pointed out it correctly. We have been able to express our thoughts, ideas. We have been getting to know the world better, and we have got to know what the
Mm-hmm.
world is up to. Right. So, of course, that has affected the Indian youth. But talking about the Indian youth, of course, they have also been influenced more with the westernization. Right. So yes, somehow the
Mm-hmm.
globalization is also affecting the westernization. There
Mm-hmm.
is a drawback to it. There is a
Okay.
downside which I feel.
Mm-hmm. Could you just
You were
tell me?
about to say something.
Yeah, yeah. I was about to say there is also one app Clapingo. Its name is Cambly. So it has
Yeah,
also come
Cambly.
from the yeah, from the western part of western. So
Mm-hmm.
I think it was found in Canada. It is from Canada. That app is. So they are sharing their app, and we use it. Yeah. So localization has affected, and it has become simple because of internet.
Exactly. Exactly. And yes, right. Of course, it has affected in many ways. Correct. Now, don't you think cricket is given too much importance as compared to other sports in India?
Yes, and it has been for a long time. Not nowadays, but it has been given importance for a long time. Yeah,
Since a long time.
we can see, yeah, since long time. So we can see in the past also we used to watch, and when 50-50 one day international cricket match uh, was telecasted. So at that time we used to watch throughout the day when internet was not there. So we stayed in front of the TV, and we used to watch for whole day. So yeah, it means we give lots of importance rather than other sports. There are multiple sports like uh, which are actually means helpful, or not can helpful, but it's those yes means energetic game means as the stamina is required same or more than the cricket, like football. Football is a very energetic game that we give lots of stamina when we play football, and it requires lots of stamina because through leg by leg we have to play football. So yeah, and in India, definitely I can say to cricket match we give lots of importance. Means although
Mm-hmm.
our national game is hockey, but we give importance to cricket match. Mm.
Yeah, that is true. That is true, actually. Maybe because we have seen this since a very long time about our fathers and forefathers doing it. So maybe because we have got used to that, accustomed to that, that yes, cricket is one of the most important sports maybe in India, and it has been given excessive
Mm.
publicity. There has been so much hype around cricket. Maybe that is another
Mm-hmm.
reason.
Yeah, and there are few apps like Dream 11, and when IPL start after his IPL came, so after that people also play lots of people started playing gambling, and there are few apps like
Mm.
Dream 11 and lots of, so they also play gambling on such apps. So yes, it has been
Correct.
affected.
Yes,
So
of course, of
because we
course.
give importance to the cricket, so we indulge ourselves like in different mode, we back our team. In that that happens. I am not actually aware or totally aware of that, but yes, some friends of mine tell me. So that is why I know. Yes.
Hmm.
Mm.
Okay.
They make their
Yes.
team and also they play. And once
Hmm.
they start playing, they get addicted with that. And again, as they see match for like in IPL, they watch for like it is 2020 match. So it takes 4 to 5 hours to get completed. So they watch a whole
Hmm.
match and also they play on Dream 11, which is like on air. So it is a kind of gambling, and they get addicted with that. Once they play again and again, and because of that, they have to once they play on that app, they make their team, and because of that, they have to watch on the TV or in the mobile. So
Hmm.
yeah, because of that, they get addicted, and they like people give so much importance to cricket match.
Yeah. 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 So, do you think that is a waste of time? What, according to you, it is?
Not any wastage of time, according to me. It is not acceptable, but it is their line. Sorry. So
Hmm.
it is my just perception that it is wasting of time because few matches I also see, I also watch. That is not like totally means I don't do it. I do it. I also watch cricket and but few matches like India, Pakistan,
Yeah.
India, Australia, that kind of few matches. And because nowadays there is World Cup going on, so I watch means few moments or like few minutes, like 5 to 15 minutes. If I think like now I am exhausted by my work, now I have to
Hmm.
see. So at that time I watch. So
Hmm.
that is the means that I do. But otherwise I don't watch it for 4 to 5 till it gets completed for whole time.
Hmm.
Yes. Hmm.
Yes. 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 Okay. Yes. That's great. That's great. Okay. Now,
So
yes.
same
Okay.
question for you. The ball is in your court. So do you watch cricket on
I'm
TV or?
not a cricket fan at all. I used to watch it when I was young. My father used to watch it, so I used to watch along with him sometimes, but I'm not a cricket fan. I don't see, I'll tell you one thing. I don't understand
Hmm.
the concept of sitting in front of the TV for the entire match and
Hmm.
looking at the people batting and then getting to know whether one has lost or one has won. I can know it at the end.
Yes.
Why do I need to watch the entire match for that? So I
Yes.
never understood this concept and I did not like it for that reason.
Yes. Yes. I also
Hmm.
because I also got lots of work. I get lots
Yes,
of
yes,
work because of that. I can't actually do it, and I
yeah,
don't like to do it. Yes.
yes, yes. Even I don't. I don't feel the need to actually. It will be better if
Hmm.
I can watch a movie during that time, or I can watch something else during that time, maybe. But not a match. I'm not a match person at all. No,
Hmm.
not exactly. Okay, I'll give you some idioms, right? You have to tell me whether you know the those idioms or not, right? Okay. The first one. Hmm. I've written it in the chat box. Can you see?
Cost an arm and a leg. No, I don't know
Hmm.
really. Hmm.
Something which is very expensive is called to cost an arm and a leg, right? So instead of just saying, okay, I
Hmm.
bought this house and it was very expensive, instead of saying that, you can directly say the house costed me an arm and a leg. Yeah.
Arm and leg. Okay. Just could you just repeat that again? Could you just repeat it?
Sorry. Yes, the house costed me an arm and a leg. The house costed me an
Hmm.
arm and a leg. Right. This is how you can use it. You can use it in multiple
So
ways.
it was too expensive. It was too expensive. Means.
Yeah, something which is very expensive. Correct. Correct.
Hmm.
Right. Okay. Can you frame a sentence with that?
Uh, okay. Yesterday I bought a watch, and it
Hmm.
costed me arm and a leg.
Correct. The real estate is becoming, the real estate is, real estate's prices have been soaring up, right? Or has been skyrocketing these days. So in order to get a good house, it will cost you an arm and a leg, something like that. You can
Mm-hmm.
use it in multiple ways, right? Okay, there's another one. This one.
To feel under the weather. No,
Hmm.
I
Okay,
even
okay. To
don't know
feel
about
sick, to feel sick, right? To feel sick or
sick.
feeling unwell is called under the weather. Like sometimes you might not feel good, right? It happens most of the time that you do not feel good. You feel sick. So sometimes you might get asked what happened to you. So you can say, okay, I'm feeling little under the weather. I'm feeling a little under the weather, which means I'm not well today. I'm not keeping well. I'm feeling sick. Right?
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Now we are nearing to the end of the session, so let me give you a feedback very soon. So what I felt about
Mm,
you is that you're able to speak out well, right? But I just need that more improved and enhanced vocabulary in your sentences, right? This is what
okay.
I just feel, right? That you should be
Mm,
inculcating and incorporating in the sentences as much as possible. That's the reason I just went ahead with some of the idioms. Maybe you can use these
okay.
idioms as well in the sentences, right? So if at all we have a next session, we'll go on with some of the idioms and some good vocabularies as well, right? Yes. So we can do something like that. Do you have any doubts that you want to ask?